kagising? Kanina ka pagising?
Gising ko mga 10:30.
Ah,
10:30. Tapos tulog ako ulit.
wow. Pepong yan, no? Pepong yan, no? Pepong yan, no? Walang utaw. Oo, walang tao. 102. 7.
38 ate yun.
Oh, ilan? Sa
2.
atin. Aguy! Igit, ugoy, ugoy. Igit, ugoy, ugoy.
Bago yata ako.
Oh, bunot ka na naman ni.
Uy, pakibaba
Open
na
ka
si
na naman.
Pinkies. Huli.
Pants. Hani, babay ka na sa bahay.
Bye-bye house! PBB house.
Thank you, Be.
Canada edition.
Thank you, house.
Thank you White House. White House.
Thank you, Cody.
Thank you Pepper.
Thank you,
Lagi mo akong
Pepper.
nilalakaran.
Si mami na pagpaalam pa?
Oo. Thank you. Uy, si Cody. Thank
Bye,
you,
Cody.
Thank you, Peppa.
Bye-bye Kuding.
Bye-bye, Pepong. Bye-bye, Cody.
Bye-bye. Stay lang. Labas na.
Ako na muna.
Labas. Stay lang. Bye-bye. Stay. Bye-bye kids. See you next
Bye-bye.
year.
Ajay si Cody.
Bye-bye Kuding.
Ajay si Cody.
Yung mata niya, no? Hi. Pinagawa mo lang, pinakabit mo lang to?
Hindi, nakakabit na talaga siya.
So,
Thank
may
you
ano
naman sa
siya, installed
paghatid,
GPS?
bebe.
Baka mainit yun.
Hindi, okay lang, be. May installed na GPS?
Hindi, yung ano lang.
Ah, nakaka-ano?
Naka-Waze.
Oo, nakakonect.
Maganda kasi ang Waze kasi yung police lalaman na kayo
Sa Google din.
Na ano rin ba?
Oh.
Tama nung nag-drive kami sa van, nakalagay.
Thank you, Be, sa paghatid.
Departure Airport.
Ano, Hani, babalik na tayo.
Ay, no. Bale, ipon lang.
Ay.
Ay.
Yung plastic, yung box ng ano niya.
My old hometown always felt so pretty. I noticed sending postcards from the city. I've been walking downtown every day.
Thank you, Be. Ano ko? Malaking ano ni, malaking maleta. Ingat, Be.
Ingat lagi.
Bye.
Mag-ingat.
Thank you sa paghatid. Bye. Ayun na si ate, oh. Okay lang. Bye-bye, te.
Bye-bye.
Saan ka sasakay ng bus?
Diyan, maganda.
Arjen, bye-bye, be.
Bye, be.
Ingat ba?
Ingat. Ha?
Hindi na. Baka masita ako eh.
Oo.
Bantay ako dyan.
Saan?
Pasok ba ako sa ano?
Sa parking? 49 pa lang, oo, sakto. See you sa States. Uy, punta kayo September, ah. Ay, bakasyon niya. Bye-bye. Love you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
2,000 years later.
I've been thinking about myself today, thinking how I changed, how I really don't care if you are here or if you don't stay.
Maybe behind you. In evacuation, leave everything behind and follow crew member instructions. To fasten your seatbelt, place the flat end into fastened. I'd like to extend a special welcome to our lounge band members and those joining us from our One-World Airline partners.
I've been thinking about myself today, thinking how I changed, how I really don't care if you are here or if you don't stay.